Hello, this is Robert McKim, President and founder of the Community Awareness Emergency Response Security Radio Patrol, also known as CAER Security Radio Patrol. This is Sunday, November the 15th, 2020. We've been having rain, of course, and wind, but there's supposed to be some thunderstorms coming our way as well. They're still to the west of us. We're under thunderstorm watch, and of course, west of us counties have been under thunderstorm warnings. We're also under a high wind advisory. Let me go in the house real quick. What's going on now?
There's a transformer on fire from Timmy's barbecue.
The what barbecue?
The Timmy's
backyard. Oh.
This is not working. It's offline.
Oh. I'll show you which one works. One does, and the other one doesn't. Anyhow, the transformer was on fire. I want to walk around here. Back in February of 2019, that flashing came off during a windstorm that we was having, and of course a lot of the rolled roofing that is not sheet metal. That is rolled roofing, rolled roofing. The metal on my trailer porch roof, on my trailer, the metal roofing on my trailer is still intact. It is the rolled roofing that has been blowing off little by little by little, causing the wood on my porch to basically disintegrate, because that is particle wood, and when particle wood gets wet, it just disintegrates and falls apart. But it's been a gradual thing. It's been happening from windstorms and thunderstorms and windstorms and thunderstorms and windstorms and thunderstorms to basically chip away at my porch roof. I mean, it doesn't take a rocket scientist, but maybe it should take a rocket scientist to wake up and realize that my porch roof would probably still be good if I didn't have all of this damage from wind and thunderstorms to my porch roof. But maybe it should take a rocket scientist or maybe a good attorney to wake my insurance company up. That is a good solid porch, and the roof was good until it had a lot of damage chipping away at my porch roof little by little. And go around here I'm going to point my camera now at myself so I can walk around here and Wow, I heard something inside the neighbor's trash. Everything else looks okay. That's why I have insurance. So if something happens, well, you know, they're supposed to be there to help me. The problem is, I have a $250 deductible. How much would you think it would have cost me to replace that, or have someone come and put that flashing back up when it first came down in February 2019? Probably not a whole lot. But when you only have like $130 some left over every month after you pay your bills, yeah, a little is a lot, basically. Back then, nobody cares when you're poor. They want to bleed you dry and then try to bleed you some more. So right now I'm just monitoring the wind and the weather. And monitoring what's going on here with my porch. This wouldn't be this bad if the insurance company would just do their job from the get-go, but there's no time limit, but yet there is a time limit. Doesn't make no sense. Stay safe.